Hello and welcome to Metastory. My name is Prashant Singh and today I am going to unbox the device on which I am going to mostly play my games on apart from the PlayStation 4. Welcome the Dell G15 Ryzen Edition gaming laptop. So now let's unbox the laptop and see what is inside it. ना अगर एक्सटीरियर प्रोफाइल की बात करें तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस में अवेलेबल है। मैंने ये लाइट ग्रीन कलर स्पेसिफिकली चूज़ किया है। ओवरऑल ऑलमोस्ट मैट फिनिश आपको देखने को मिलता है। यहाँ पर एक ट्रायंगुलर शेप इसमें दिया गया है एंड दिस इज़ द स्ट्रिप लाइनिंग डिज़ाइन दैट हैज़ बीन गिवन ऑन इट्स बैक। स्मार्ट लुकिंग डेल लोगो यहाँ पे। दिस इज़ द डार्कर शेड। नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू इट्स बैक यू विल फाइंड दैट दिस इज़ द पावर कॉर्ड. This is HDMI cable. This is USB 3.2 Gen 1 and this is for USB C type 3.2 Gen 2. Over the sides you also get two more ports for pen drive support, and over the left side you'll find that there is a headphone jack, lighting for the battery, and of course this is for the LAN support. Now over the back these are the inlet port for cool air which it uses and then spits out all the hot air from this side. So basically these are the fans of this laptop which work in order to keep this laptop cool. Now time to turn this laptop on. So guys, so first of all you'll see that it gets a backlit keyboard. इसके साथ साथ this is the place where all its speakers are placed. इसके साथ साथ the first thing that you'll notice is that इसकी screen clarity guys, it's very vivid. So my motive of making this video is just to provide you a showroom feel of this laptop, and this is not a review. So let's not get into details much, and here are some of its basic specifications. For starters, it weighs roughly around 2.81 kg. So don't expect it to be very handy if you wish to carry it around. The G15 series from Dell is made available in a series of processor types. This right here is the AMD Ryzen 5, which supports processor speeds up to 4.20 GHz, while the Ryzen 7 will take the speed up to 4.40 GHz. Now one of the key highlights of the system include this NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 4GB graphics card. Also, this laptop comes with a dedicated Alienware command center. It has a 512GB M.2 solid state drive like the rest of the laptops in the G15 range. As far as the pricing is concerned, in January 2022, it is priced at around Rs 74,000. So first of all, thank you so much for watching this entire video, and if you're planning to buy the Dell G15 series laptop, I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.